Hello everyone, this is Meher Baba. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in School of Computer Science Engineering at VIT Chennai. Today I am going to discuss you about commercial waste. What is commercial waste? What are the sources and how it can be treated to make a eco-friendly life? And these all things we can discuss in this video. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So what is commercial waste? Generally, the waste which is not domestic waste. Domestic waste in the sense the waste generated during the household and all which are not a part of these waste are known as commercial waste. Commercial waste is a type of waste which is generated from business or trading activities. Generally, these activities are related to entertainment, education, research, sport, or any other activities which has a commercial element. So, it's different from agriculture and domestic waste, as the commercial waste contains some business angle. And it's very important to distinguish this waste from other wastes, as many companies can't handle its commercial waste due to its stringent measures put in their disposal. Even grass and garden clippings from a commercial property like hotel would be categorized as a commercial waste. Types of commercial waste. Generally, the commercial waste types are categorized based on where they have been generated. There are many places like in business, in industries, or the office areas, hotels, and all. The places where these commercial waste have been generated, based on these waste has been categorized. These are the types of commercial waste. First one, in industries and manufacturing plants, generate some rubbish and waste in their day-to-day activities, and this can be categorized as a commercial waste, which is generated in place of industries and the manufacturing plants. Second one, the waste, commercial waste generated from mining companies, also known as commercial rubbish, which takes place in mining. Generally, hospitals, restaurants, and veterinary clinics, accommodation properties, these also generate some commercial rubbish, and this is also categorized as some commercial waste part. And the final wholesales and retailers and etc. Some other business companies also generate some commercial rubbish, which is also known as a commercial waste. What are the sources of these commercial waste? Generally, the main sources of these commercial wastes are business or trading companies. Generally, these business and trading companies involves small hotels or hospitals or any biomedical wastes and private industries, etc. These are a part of the business or trading industries, and these commercial waste is generated for purpose of education or entertainment or sport or recreation, etc. Generally, these commercial waste does not include any household waste or domestic waste, which includes our household kitchen waste, etc. And agriculture waste also includes the cows and manure from agriculture, etc. These does not come under the commercial waste. So generally, these commercial waste main sources are business industries like hospitals, hotels, etc., and mining companies. So these are the origins of the waste. First, coming to mining, the waste rock, tailing, and mine water, chemicals, and other are commercial wastes in mining. And coming to agriculture, forestry, uh, obsolete pesticides and fertilizers, organics, plastics and containers, manure, slagger waste, and others are a part of agriculture commercial waste. Now coming to industrial commercial wastes. These there are textiles and plastics, ash which is generated after burning, and nuclear waste, and others. These are a part of industrial commercial waste. Coming to household, commercial, and government bodies. So these are commercial waste which we used to see in roads in day-to-day life. So municipal solid wastes and electronic wastes which are used wires which are thrown on roads, and medical waste, some syringes and surgeons and some tires and others comes under these household, commercial, government body waste. Coming to construction demolition. So, concrete, plastics, wood, metals, glass, and others which are thrown away from the construction sites or pits comes under this construction demolition commercial waste. So, coming to water waste treatment. So sewage sludge, solid waste and chemicals and other comes under wastewater treatment. So generally these are main origins of the commercial wastes. So coming to mining, the waste thrown after the mining has taken, and in agriculture, so after use of pesticides we may throw plastics and slurcher wastes and some organics. So in industries, after usage of some products, so textiles and plastics bags and some burning ash will be thrown. So household commercial wastes like electronic gadgets after their usage and tires, etc. So in construction demolition, we may throw the unwanted concrete which is dried after some time. And so these are main origins of the commercial waste. So generally, any waste which is not a domestic waste or agriculture waste is known as commercial waste. And in other words, the waste is generated from the commercial institution sources are also known as commercial waste. So these includes waste from office papers, files, lead and plastics, etc. And waste from printings, shops, papers and chemicals, colors and developers also comes under these commercial waste. Waste from hotels, some like dishes, paper, plastic plates, and plastic glasses, used metal cans, soft drink bottles, and covers, etc. These comes from hotels, which are comes under the commercial waste. And waste from medical institutions like hospitals and clinics. So cottons, bandages, syringes, saline bottles, wrappers or medicine covers and etc. These comes under the commercial waste of hospitals and clinics. Generally, it is the picture which showcases the effect of the commercial waste in our day-to-day life. So, below the plant, we see a lots of commercial waste which is generated from the business or trading sectors, or from any hotels or hospitals or mining industries. So, these waste has been thrown into an area, so which affects the lack of plants growth. So there is it looks like a good planetary area or a garden due to the throwing of the commercial waste continuously into the area. So which creates a lack of plant growth due to the throwing of the waste continuously. At last we find only one plant which is grown above the commercial waste. So we should not throw these commercial waste directly into the land pits. We should treat them and we should throw it because these. What is the effect of commercial waste? One of the most devastating effects of the industrial waste is water pollution. For many industrial processes, water is used which comes in contact with harmful chemicals when it's released from these industries. So these chemicals may include organic compounds such as solvents, metals, or nutrients or radioactive materials. So when these water or comes from industrial outlets, these mix with some lakes and ponds or some rivers, so which are used for domestic purposes. so which causes some harmful diseases, etc. So we should treat these commercial waste before leaving directly into these areas. How do you manage these commercial waste and how do you decrease these commercial waste? First one, reduce the food waste. So we can reduce the wastage of food by keeping how much we can eat. So second one, reduce packaging. So reduction of packaging includes many business outlets or some orders which are covered by many plastic covers. So instead of plastic covers, we may use paper covers. So the treatment may be the easy. Some careful handling. So by taking some careful while handling these commercial waste, we can reduce or manage these commercial waste. Using fewer materials while manufacturing. So instead of using more materials during manufacturing, using less materials which can manage the commercial wastage. So reduce surplus materials from other businesses. And if you have unwanted items, sell or donate or swap them. So if you're using any item and you may also have some unused items. So instead of keeping these unused items empty, so you may sell them or donate or swap them. So which may be useful for some people, so instead of buying new items, they may use that, which also includes in reduction of the commercial waste. So repair and keep items instead of purchasing new ones. So instead of purchasing new items, we can repair the old items which is having some problem. We can repair and we can reuse them. So lease or hire items. So by using these techniques, we can reduce the commercial. Generally, the picture includes the separation of the commercial waste. There are many colors like soil color, blue color, yellow color, green color, red, orange, and black, which includes various kind of separated commercial wastes. Generally, the blue color bin includes the paper commercial waste, which is from business files and papers, etc. And green color bin includes the glass commercial waste from industries and some hotels, broken glasses, etc. And yellow color bin includes the plastic commercial waste from many hotels or mining places or many industries. After the usage of many products, we are throwing these plastic covers. So instead of throwing them into mixed, if we throw them in yellow color bin, it is plastic kind of separated commercial waste, so we can treat them in different ways when compared to paper and glasses. So red color bin includes the metal commercial waste, and beside there are some organic commercial bins, soil or brownish color, which includes the rotten fruits, etc. And some orange color bins which includes the electronic commercial waste, and some mixed which if we it's a mixed kind of commercial waste. How to reduce these commercial waste? So here are the amazing 7 tips to reduce these commercial wastes. First one, start a task force. Then track and access your waste and address your budget and reduce them, reuse and recycle the commercial waste and incentivize or encourage. So beside there is a diagram which showcases the usage and the treatment process of the whole commercial waste. First, the products are generated from the factories and these are sent to small outlets or some outlets like shops. And from these outlets, we can buy these products and we can use them. After using, we'll throw them into some bins and rubbish bins. So after throwing them, we can categorize these products into usable products and reusable products. So from these reusable products, we can reuse them, and from unreusable products we can separate these products as we seen them in previous slide, like yellow color bin, orange color bin and blue color bin. So separate these waste into paper, plastic and electronic, etc. and collect these waste and take apart and sent to some treatment of these commercial waste. So after the collection and sending to treatment places, so in treatment place they will treat the various kinds of commercial waste in various ways, so makes these commercial waste eco-friendly and which saves our environment. Thank you for being patient, and I hope this video on the commercial waste will help you, and it teaches you how the waste can be generated and what are the main sources of these commercial waste, how it can be treated and how it can be reduced in our day-to-day life, and how what are the separation things. And I hope these all things will help you in concept of commercial waste. So thank you.